Look at this, guys. We're really leaving. We're going now. All right, let's go. We're heading out to the truck. This guy's got his truck locked like there's something important in here.
Field trip time.
Field trip.
We are going to look at a custom chimney cap that we put on. So a good friend of ours, a high-powered attorney here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We're doing a custom roof on his home. Funny story, he has a lightweight metalworks roof up there now that he had put on years ago. It got damaged by baseball-sized hail approximately a year and a half ago. When it did, the insurance company a lot of times have a disclosure in the insurance policy that states if it doesn't puncture a hole in the metal roof, they're not going to pay for it. So then you have this beautiful roof that's been damaged by baseball-sized hail, and you have to drive up and look at it every day. But that's just part of the policy. They call it a marring clause or a cosmetic damage waiver. So a lot of people love metal roofs, but they don't realize that's a real problem. So imagine your car getting beat up by hail and then insurance not paying for it, and you have to look at that beat up car all the time. So you know, that's kind of what happened. Fortunately, unfortunately, whatever you want to call it, the insurance company walked all over the roof and damaged it during their inspection. So then he had to take them to court, ended up getting the roof bought, and now we're about to re-roof it. He's very, very excited. So we're going to look at the new chimney cap, make sure that looks good, and kind of get the job set, prepped, and ready to deploy our team out there to get the roof knocked out. So we will keep you updated.
Taking no loss, I ain't taking no loss. Look, I'ma always win. I ain't taking no loss, no loss, no loss. Look, I'ma always win. I'm winning again and again and again, and it's all on repeat. I'ma just sit at the top 'cause I'm running it, dog. On me, I don't know defeat. Had to get back on the phone. I told them don't play with my name 'cause I know that it rings. They want my spot at the top with the crown, and they ask who's the rocket. I tell them it's me.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta get your hands dirty. You still gotta get out here and make it happen. Somebody's calling me about how to set up e-commerce accounts, set up a business and an LLC. Got another guy calling. A client needs attorneys, I guess, for whatever he's got going on. Now we're about to climb a roof. So your network is your net worth. Sometimes you just got to make it happen. And like I tell everybody, at the end of the day, it's just a job. If you take money out of the equation, whether we're climbing roofs, opening up a new business, creating a coffee brand, or public speaking and mentoring people, it doesn't matter, because when you take money out of the equation, who cares? How do you add value and help make an impact? That's what we're doing every day. So you're not supposed to walk on these roofs because it smashes them. You can see right there it's smashed down. So this is how it's supposed to sound. Then listen, it has no movement. So the insurance company walked across here. We got a video of them walking across here, and they destroyed this roof. So, of course, they had to pay for it. We knew better than to walk on it, so we would not let our advisors walk on this roof at all. They showed up and walked across it. Insurance got really upset and said, why would you guys be up there walking around? And then they looked at the shirt and realized that it was their unqualified people that they sent out here to walk on this roof and destroyed this roof. So now it's cost the insurance company a lot of money. They paid for this roof, and we're about to replace it. And these roofs are funny. They're like Coke cans. You can hear them crunching. On the ground, and I'm up there doing all the work, and I'm like, who's the smart one here? Me or them? I'm still questioning myself.
So that chimney cap look good? You like
Yeah, it looks good. Looks nice. Yeah, they did a really good job on it.
Use them more often?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's going to be over the next couple of weeks because this is a custom shingle. They've had it sitting on the yard, so they're waiting on us, but I wanted to get the chimney cap done. That way when we're done with this project, the chimney caps put up there. We're going to take the gutters off, put the new roof system up there, and then we'll put the gutters. That way no ladders are touching the gutters or anything. Once it's done, nobody needs to get back up there. The only thing that's in question, we may be painting the bricks on the chimney black because the flashing goes up so high anyway. You know, I gave them the option of painting the bricks black because that flashing is going to take up 25% of the brick on the chimney. So that's going to be black to match the roof system anyway. So I'm like, you have very few bricks that are going to be the color that you can see, and from here it's going to stand out on that black roof. So a lot of people really like whenever we take a project like this and everything from the gutter up is totally black. Really dresses the home up, makes it look real pretty, so you don't have these chopped up different textures and colors all over the project. Makes it aesthetically more appealing, especially from the curb. Yeah, so, but you know, the wife's going to make that decision, so we're going to wait on her to make that decision. And as soon as she makes that decision, then if they want to do that, we'll paint the bricks on the chimney black to match the black roofing system. And then we'll get the new roof put up there, new gutters. It'll all be blacked out. It'll look like a new place. So guys, the customer benefits here. It's going to be prettier roof. Obviously, they have this old metal roof up there. We're putting a asphalt shingle up there. It's called the granddaddy of all asphalt shingles. It's called a Grand Manor. It's a scalloped shingle on the edges. It looks like individual tiles. It's really, really beautiful. It's what everybody wants. It's called the granddaddy of shingles, right? It's called a Certainteed Grand Manor. So it's going to be much prettier. Their property value is obviously going to go way up because they have a much better product on their roof system with all the bells and whistles, all the warranties. Also, here's the big one, your insurance premiums are going to go down, so their insurance payments every month are going to go down. Yes, I said that right. They're going to go down, not up. And the reason being because there's less risk. The property now, think about the lifespan of the roof. The lifespan of the roof has been reset and it starts back to its original date. So what's going to happen is that property is going to go up in value, and the insurance company is going to say, when's the next time we're going to have to replace the roof? It's going to be a long time, so the risk is mitigated, so they lower your premiums. So I always tell people, call your insurance company and just ask your agent, hey, can you tell me what a new roof discount is? They'll actually tell you while you're on the phone without even filing a claim. It's a significant difference. We just put on a roof earlier part of this week, yesterday, as a matter of fact. Our client was able to save a little over $150 a month on their insurance premiums, and the insurance company agreed to pay for the roof. So you're going to have curb appeal, property value goes up, your insurance payments are going to go down, and the insurance is going to foot the bill for the vast majority of that. The only thing you're responsible for is your out-of-pocket expense. But the insurance company in this case has footed the bill for the entire thing, other than his out-of-pocket expense, which he'll be responsible for. But I can't wait to show you guys this project. There's a lot of value being added into this property, and a lot of people don't think about that. They're just thinking, oh, it's a roof, right? They get a little extra money. They're thinking, oh, you know, I want to do whether it's countertops, a paint job, you know, add a bigger bathtub in the bathroom and restore that. People don't understand the huge value add whenever you do a roofing system like this. And then the other thing, which is really key, is because of not only are they getting a new roof discount, we are also adding a Class 4 shingle, which is even a bigger discount because anything that is 2-inch or smaller when it comes to hail does not impact this roof at all. So it's called a Class 4 impact resistant shingle, and the insurance company gives you even a bigger discount over just a new roof, because if hail hits this roof, it's probably not going to do any damage unless it's baseball size or larger.
That's good. Thank you, sir.